Welcome to Bestusefultips. Here I will show you how to import or export contact on Google Pixel 4a. Open Contact app on your Pixel 4a. Tap on the three horizontal lines at top left corner. Select Settings. Scroll down. Here you can see Import and Export option. Tap on Import. Here you can select Import contact from VCF file or SIM card. Here we select VCF file. Tap on OK. Now select a VCF file from your device. Now contact will be imported shortly. You can see when completed you can see finishing importing via contact. You can also export contact. To tap on export. Here you can tap on a save. Also change the name of contact VCF file. Tap on save. Now you can see contact will be exported shortly option in your device. It's quite easy to import or export contact on your Pixel 4a. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.